Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to fix screenshots not working on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, click on screenshots and screen recording, and you will see set video size. Go back, scroll down and again click on advanced features and click on motion and gestures, and make sure allow plumb swipe to capture. After allow this feature, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.